Channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video we are going to learn how to solve linear system of equations by elimination method. We try to eliminate x or y in this method by multiplying both or one equation by some number and then by subtracting or adding these equations. Our given equations in this question are 2x plus 5y is equal to 24 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 20. So let us call the first one as number 1 and the second one is number 2. The first checking that we apply on this equation is to find if coefficient of x or y in both the equations are the same. If yes, then we can eliminate x or y by adding or subtracting both the equations. But we can see that the coefficients of x or y are not equal here. Now we will try to make coefficients of x or y equal in both the equations by multiplying with a number. And what number we can consider in this case? We can see that the coefficient of x in equation number 2 is 4 and the coefficient of x is 2 in equation number 1. So if we multiply equation number 1 by 2, so its coefficient of x will become equal to the coefficient of x in the second equation. So we multiply first equation by 2 and then we subtract the second one from the result. So what we will do, we will multiply all the terms of the first equation with 2. So 2 into 2x is 4x, 2 into 5 is 10y, and then 2 into 24 is 48. And we will write down the second equation as it is. 4x plus 3y is equal to 20. Okay, now we will subtract these equations. So when we are subtracting, the signs will be reversed. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, and here also plus, it will become minus. 4x will cancel with minus 4x. So 10 minus 3 is 7. And 48 minus 20 is 28. Now we divide both sides by 7. So 7y over 7 is equal to 28 over 7. 7 cancels with 7 and 28 cancels with 7 and we get 4. So y in this case is equal to 4. Now by substituting the value of y in equation number 1, we get what is our equation number 1? It is 2x plus 5y is equal to 24. We substitute the value of y in this, so we will get 2x plus 5 into 4 is equal to 24. So 2x plus 20 is equal to 24. 2x is equal to 24 minus 20. So 2x is equal to 4, and then when we divide both sides by 2, we will be getting x is equal to 2. Okay, so in this, so our solution set in this case will be x is 2 and y is 4, which is the answer of this question as well. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, please take care and bye.